Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today you are going to be doing some work on Canvas. Since I'm not here today, what I need you to do is log into your science class, and then once you're there, select modules. When you're in modules, you will then select the Chapter 2 Rocks and Mineral Mixtures module. Go to the BBC Bite-Size Rock Cycle link, click on that, and once you're there, you may get an error message like this one that says that it won't load from Canvas. That's okay. All you need to do is click on the link in the gray bar at the top of the box, and it will open up in a new tab for you. Once you get that website to open, you'll see BBC Bite-Size, and it's on the rock cycle. This is an article that is 5 pages long. It talks about weathering and the process of the rock cycle. You need to read through this article, and you can progress through the article by selecting the individual page, like selecting page 2, and it will take you to the second page of the article. Or you can click on the next button, and the next button and the page selection is at the top and the bottom of the article. Once you finish reading, you get to the final page, you'll see on the site they do have a summary and wrap up of the article with a diagram talking about everything that you just read. And then after you're finished with that, you will then click on Test. Once you're in the test, you will answer the questions, clicking into the bubble to make your answer selection, and you can select any answer you feel is correct. And once you have that, then you progress to the next question. At the end of the quiz, you check your score, and what you want to do is report this score to me. The way you're going to do that is to take a screenshot of this score screen. So you'll select your snipping tool either from your start menu, or in my case I have it selected to my taskbar, and I want to select a full screen snip, so it's a whole screen. It'll have everything that was on my screen displayed. It also has my score there. And then I will want to save this, and I'm going to save this snip as BBC or Rock Cycle, whatever you want to call it. And I've already saved that, but I'm going to overwrite that one. Now that I have it saved, I can close my snipping tool, go back to Canvas, and in Modules, I will find a turn-in link for this file. I select the test result turn-in link, and it will bring up my submission page, and I'll be able to submit the file that way. I'm recording this a little bit early, so it's not active at this time, but you'll attach the file you just saved to your Canvas, like you've probably done many times before. I suggest that you get a good score on that BBC Bite-Size, because your score that you get on that test will be your score for the assignment. So there's 10 points possible. Shoot for a 10, and you may retake that quiz as many times as needed to get that score. After you finish this task, there is a rock cycle diagram that the substitute will distribute to you. That diagram needs to be labeled of all of the different rock types and the processes that cause them to change from one type to another. And after you've finished all your labeling, you will need to color it and cut it out and paste it into your notebook. I'll be checking that the rock cycle diagram is complete and in your notebook when I return to school. So that is your task for today. Good luck, and if you have any questions, see the substitute and they'll be happy to help you.